Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Malwarebytes Premium. Now, Malwarebytes has changed a lot. I wasn't able to find the free Malwarebytes. If you guys know how to get it, go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video below. Let us know how to get the free one. For some reason, all you can get is just the trial. As we're here on the main website for Malwarebytes, all I was able to find was free trials, and of course right here it says buy, and or download, and that's the one we're working on right now. So this is it right here, premium trial. It's only giving me a trial for 14 days. So I like how on the right hand side here it has real-time protection available to click on right away. Web protection, exploit protection, malware protection, ransomware protection right here on the right hand side. Usually on antivirus programs you got to go to settings and then work on these, but I like how it has them on the right. When you click on the scan here, it looks like it only has one type of scan, and that's threat scan. And I already found something there. The scan's taking a while here. Depending on how much files you have on your computer, how big your hard drive is, or how fast your computer is, this could take anywhere from half an hour to a couple hours. Alright. What's cool about this premium, you have a scan schedule here. You can add. So you click on the add button here, and you can tell it to do a threat scan, custom scan, or hyper scan. Now I recommend doing I think a threat scan is better than a hyper. I think hyper just goes too fast. So we'll stick with threat scan, and then you could put whatever date you want. You want it daily, weekly, monthly, or just once, or on reboot, and reoccurrence how many days. Hit OK, and then you'll have a schedule there. That's pretty cool. Here we have our quarantine. If you ever have anything in quarantine, always delete it, guys. Always. You can look at reports, and you can look at settings. And these settings, like I said, some of these settings are here on the dashboard on the right hand side, but there's more of them here. A heck of a lot more. Display language, event log, proxy server, stuff like that. Usually you don't have to mess with these guys, just leave it the way it is. Real-time protection. These are the ones that are on the dashboard here. As you can see, I'm here, real-time protection. The scan schedule, we looked at it just a while ago. Exclusions, if you have any programs you want to exclude, you can add it here by clicking on add exclusion right here. Your account details, if you have an account with them. Of course, this one is a 14-day trial. So that is it, guys. It's really simple to use. I like how Malwarebytes keeps it simple. And we're going to try it for 14 days here. It's still scanning. It looks like it found something. And we'll see what that is. It's probably going to take a long time here. But that's about it, guys. That's Malwarebytes, the new Malwarebytes 2019 here. Malwarebytes Premium, really easy to use. I like how they just keep it really simple. Again, I like how they have real-time protection settings here on the side. So that's pretty cool, guys. And then we have threat scan, custom scan, and hyper scan here. Threat scan, I recommend doing that one. And that's it. I mean, it does have web protection, it has exploit protection, malware protection, and ransomware. Ransomware is big these days, guys. You get a ransomware virus and your computer's toast. So that's a good thing. It protects against ransomware. Pretty basic. I mean, if I'm gonna buy something, it better be better than this. This is very basic for something you would buy. You know, this looks more like a free antivirus here that they want to charge you for. Because a free antivirus can do all this easily, and then they want to charge us. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this Malwarebytes review a bad review, because man, if I'm gonna buy something, it's got to be better than this. It's got to have a lot more tools than this. So that's it right there, guys. Malwarebytes Premium 2019. If you want to try the free trial, go to malwarebytes.com, click on the products menu tab up here, and then click on download, and that's how you can download it and try it out. And that's it right there, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.